Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping properly. Wash your hands and remove makeup so you don't trap dirt. Next, splash lukewarm water on your face to soften oils. This helps the cleanser work deeper. Once done, dispense a nickel-to-quarter size amount of face wash into your palm. Make sure the product matches your skin type, gel for oily, cream for dry, because that affects texture and how much you use. You apply the cleanser to damp skin and start massaging with gentle circular motions. Use your fingertips, not nails. Once you've covered forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, spend about 30–60 seconds to lift oils and debris. Longer can irritate. Then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, making sure no residue remains. After rinsing, pat dry with a clean towel. Don't rub, as that can cause micro-tears and redness. You finish by applying a lightweight moisturizer or targeted serum within 60 seconds to seal and hydration. This prevents transepidermal water loss. If your skin stings or turns red, stop immediately and switch to a fragrance-free, gentle formula, and patch test for 24–48 hours before reintroducing. If breakouts persist despite correct use, incorporate a targeted treatment 1 to 2 times daily and consider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.